Hi, welcome to Sparks Toyota. My name is Eric Anderson. I'm one of the sales and leasing consultants here. I'd like to take you out on our lot and show you one of our new arrivals. Here we have a 2012 Toyota Prius 2. It has a clean Carfax report with only one previous owner and comes equipped with keyless entry, power heated side mirrors, and much more. With a bevy of high-tech features, the Toyota Prius maintains its appeal and status as the quintessential hybrid. This Prius has a 15-inch 5-spoke aluminum alloyed wheels with wheel covers and all-season tires with lots of tread left. There's also a spare tire and a direct tire pressure monitoring system for convenience and safety. As you can see, this Prius is in great condition. It has auto-off projector beam halogen headlamps, along with fog lights, a UV reduction windshield, and a really nice black grille with the iconic Toyota emblem to tie it all together. Under the hood, you have a 4-cylinder, 1.8-liter engine with variable transmission. This hybrid has front-wheel drive, and it's estimated that drivers receive an impressive 50 miles per gallon on average. Let's not forget that this Prius has only 75,656 miles on it. At the back of the Prius, you can see the antenna, the rear wiper, and the rear spoiler, along with the large LED brake lights and sleek chrome badging. Looking to the cargo area, you see that it's very spacious and the back seats fold down for more space as needed. This cargo area also features a cargo cover and cargo lights for packing or unpacking at night. In the back seat, you'll notice that this Prius has been very well taken care of. Passengers can utilize the fold-down armrest with cup holders, as well as seat back storage. There are also child safety door locks for peace of mind. The front of the cabin is well appointed with a nice silver interior accent. Drivers and passengers alike will be very comfortable in the adjustable fabric seating. You have a large console with storage, plenty of cup holders, and a power outlet. This Prius is also equipped with a dual-zone glove box, door bins, and a push-button start. Here are the easy-to-reach controls for the power side mirrors, the power door locks with anti-lockout, and the power windows with one touch up and down. This Prius has a very comfortable tilting and telescoping steering wheel with on-wheel controls for the cruise, audio, Bluetooth, and climate features. Just above the center stack, you'll have a digital speedometer, fuel gauge, and shift lever indicator, along with the other important information about your car. The center stack is home to the entertainment features and is paired with 6 speakers. This includes your classic AM/FM radio with a CD player. It's MP3 and Bluetooth compatible, and you can easily connect devices using the USB and auxiliary ports. You also have automatic climate controls, and everything that you see here is very easy to use. If you have any questions, give us a call at 888-272-5869 or visit us at sparkstoyota.com. Thank you.